uh, really tough love. But it helped me. It helped me become a better person. So you cannot sob. No sound at all. So you can cry, but only tears. But you cannot show the tears. You cannot sob. No, not allowed. So I was like, nagbako. And then he said, oh, I've had enough of this. You go out, you stay in the living room, and you sleep in the living room. So I was 5 years old. And then, hanggang ngayon, takot man ako sa cockroach. No? And I think, kasalanan ito ng tatay ko ba? Takot ako sa cockroach. You know that flying cockroach? Wag yung mga maliliit na cockroach na. Yung mga lumilipad, yung pag tiningnan mo siya, pupunta siya sa iyo. Yung mga ganyan na cockroach. And then, sent me out into the living room to sleep in the living room. And then he locked the bedroom door. So they can sleep peacefully and then I can cry freely outside. Huh? Oh. And then when you're 5 years old, your imagination runs wild. It was dark. I cannot reach the light switch. So it was dark and the only light is from the outside ba, the street light. And then I can remember ang imagination ko, ang sobrang laki na daw ng mga cockroach. Mga ganyan na, yung imagination mo, tapos habang natutulog ka, gagapang sila lahat sa iyo, mga ganyan. So, ganun siya. Hindi ka pwedeng umiyak at hindi mo pwedeng ipakita ang iyong mga luha. Noong isang beses, magkasama kami ni Kitty na bumisita sa loob ng detention unit. And then sinabi ko sa kanila, kay Hanilat at kay Kitty, huwag kayo umiyak ha. Kasi ayaw niya. Sinabi niya sa akin kasi nung unang mga araw na nandun siya, ako lang yung bumibisita. Paulit-ulit niya sinabi sa akin na ayoko bumisita sila kasi alam ko magiiyakan. Sabi ko, ako nang bahala, sabihan ko sila. And then this Kitty, hindi niya napigilan isang beses. Hindi niya napigilan talaga. She started, pero nandun siya sa likod ni PRD. And apparently, narinig ni PRD. Kasi sinabihan siya, you know what, your tears don't help. So sabi ko din sa kanya, told you not to cry. So, ganon. Hindi ka pwedeng umiyak. Make your own history in this world. And the importance of education in the lives of our children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Because that will really influence change in our country. And so my next, okay po ba kayo? Yes! Okay na po, ma'am.